Hello friends, welcome to Prodhut channel. In today's video, let's know about, can RO water be used in inverter battery? Some people get confused when it comes to knowing inverter batteries. Different types of water make it more confusing when it comes to which water should be used in an inverter battery. RO water is always an option, but is it the right choice to make? Surely, RO water is famous for its benefits. But aren't you more curious to know about the disadvantage it will cause if not looked properly at? This video will provide you all the answers that you are looking for. Now let's come to our point. Can RO water be used in inverter battery? The answer is sad. No. You cannot use RO water in an inverter battery. RO stands for reverse osmosis. It is a concept or technology mainly used to vanish many contaminants from water by creating pressure. So, why is it harmful when it comes to inverter batteries? RO water consists of ions such as calcium and magnesium. However, it also consists of elements such as sulfate, so it is not pure when it comes to inverter batteries. Reverse osmosis also consists of elements of dissolved salt, which is also dangerous as it may destroy the inverter battery completely. Also, the presence of ions in the reverse osmosis water causes harm to the battery and can also be a reason for much more destruction than any other water. We should not use RO water as it contains impurities that can lead to less battery life, which means wastage of money. Let's us get to know the points to consider if you still want to use RO water. We can use RO water to top up the battery, to remove the dissolved salt from the water. But it is important to know that there will still be salt left in the water. When using the RO water, always consider checking its pH level. By checking the pH level, you can save your battery from getting worse. It is also important to check the TDS level of the RO water while using it for the inverter battery. We must boil RO water properly before usage. It is estimated that we can use a battery for 5 years, but you will use water every time. Its lifespan can decrease up to 1 year or less. It can also be a cause of a short circuit and sometimes an explosion. Then you might have a question. If not for water, then what should be used instead of it? RO water is the best water for drinking, but it does not provide any justice when it comes to being used in an inverter battery. So, what should be used instead? In place of RO water, we should use distilled water as it is much purer. Also, it is advisable not to make inverter battery water at home. It's safe to buy it from the battery shops. We hope that this video has provided you with all the information that you are looking for about RO water and whether it is desirable to use inverter batteries. We will suggest you not use RO water and use groundwater instead. But if you still want to use RO water, please keep in mind the points to consider while using it. I hope this will be helpful to you. Thank you for watching this video. Like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel for more videos.